you just have to look at this packaging. Oh my God, I can't. I'm so sorry.
Hi everyone, I'm David.
Hey there, I'm Helen.
And Helen, we are quickly approaching gifting season.
Yes.
It is upon us. And I started to think to myself, what am I gonna get Helen? How am I gonna figure out the perfect gift? And I was like, well, she is a water sign. She's a Pisces princess. And that got the ball rolling in the idea of what if we thought about gifts that match perfectly to the astrological elements like earth, air, fire, water signs. So we're gonna do that today for you all, and we're gonna help you figure out the perfect gift for all the elemental signs in your life. So Helen, you are our Pisces princess. That is what you are. And along with Cancer and Scorpio, those are all the water signs. And correct me if I'm wrong, I would say water signs are like intuitive, emotional,
Yes.
dreamy.
Here you go with the flow.
Exactly.
Totally.
So you just tied me into what I thought would be the perfect gift, which is a water sleeping mask.
That's true.
So while you're sleeping and dreaming, you're hydrating your skin with water. This one from LANEIGE is so delicious on the skin. It's like a treat for you while you sleep, which is very Pisces.
I love that.
So I think this is a great gift for you, but I know you had something in mind too.
So I actually personally use this. This is the water cream by TATCHA, and it does just feel like a drink of water on your skin. And I love this moisturizer. It actually never occurred to me why I love it so much, but maybe it's because I'm a Pisces, a water sign. I mean, maybe that's why. It just, look at this packaging. It is absolutely stunning inside. It's like its own little gift wrap. It comes out in just this like really nice cream. It has a beautiful luxe feeling scoop on the top, so you can scoop it out without contaminating what's inside, and it just feels really, really nice on your skin. All right, next up we have earth signs. That's Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. They're grounded, they're stable, they love earthiness. I just feel like the Jo Malone fragrance really resonates with that. It's this really beautiful fragrance that has wood sage and sea salt in it. It smells really gorgeous. It has this like,
Ooh, love that.
really beautiful, like earthy notes to it.
So I was trying to think outside the box when it came to earth signs, and something that really connects with them is like clean beauty, sustainability, detoxifying.
Yeah.
So I thought
Smart.
about skincare, like from TATCHA. This is the Texture Tonic. It's a great tonic just to sweep over the skin, detoxify the pores, pull all the dirt and debris out, and leave your skin feeling beautiful and refreshed.
Love
A
it.
wonderful gift for anyone in the earth signs that are on your list. Okay, so up next is, of course, my favorite element, the fire signs, because I'm a Leo, the king of fire signs, along with Sagittarius and Aries. Fire signs are so classic. We are bold, we are brash, we are creative, we like to be the center of attention, we like to be seen, heard, just everything that you want. Great for buying gifts for,
So
because
fun.
you can get the fun
Yeah,
stuff.
exactly.
You can get the wild stuff, and this is such a good gift. This is from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the Glossy Posse Volume 5. It's 3 of the lip glosses. This is center of attention, status level down.
It is.
People will be like, oh my God, you are hot mama in those juicy glosses. I absolutely love them. They're gonna go in my kit. I won't wear them myself, but I'll be putting them on everyone.
They're really gorgeous. Speaking of heat, we're really bringing the fire with the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. This, I feel like, it just really speaks to a fire sign because it really smells delicious. I was thinking of like sun and heat and like the warmth of it, and it just really smells like you've been on the beach. It's this
So
like,
good.
I love it. It's really stunning. Not only will it get you stopped for what is that fragrance, I have to know what you're wearing, but also it gives you like a really nice glaze to your skin. So this is just a great one for any fire sign. All right, next up we have air signs. So Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I have so many air signs in my life. I know exactly what they like. They're intellectual, they're master communicators, but most of all, they love to indulge. So I feel like the skincare that is going to give them the maximum indulgence is La Mer. The La Mer moisturizing cream is just known for being the tippy top of luxury. Personally, I feel like this is gonna be great for anybody who has dry skin. My mama would love this. She's a Gemini. So this is just a really great gift for anybody who wants the maximum in luxury.
Okay, pass me that big boy.
Here we go.
All right, so this was my idea for our air signs, thinking of indulgence and luxury. This is from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the Pro Facial Steamer. It's like bringing a spa into your home. What more indulgence can you get? It uses that micro mist technology.
So lovely.
It feels so luxurious on your skin. This is literally handing an air sign their happy place in a box. So a wonderful gift that they will thank you for years to come.
All right, so if you are feeling like you want to drop somebody a hint, feel free to share this video. And of course, shop the shelf if you're going to get something for somebody else. And until next time, bye everybody.